Welcome to this video on how to delete an installed printer on your Windows laptop at the New Brunswick Community College. So if you're an NBCC student and you're using PrinterLogic and you need to delete one of the printers that you have installed, all you have to do is on your Windows machine, you're just going to scroll down to the lower right hand corner of the screen and there's going to be that little arrow icon. If I select that, it's going to open up here the task tray right here on my Windows computer. And so where you see the little gray printer icon here with the little green circle in it, I'm just going to right click on my mouse with that. And there's going to be an option right here to delete printer. So I'm just hovering over the icon, I'm right clicking on my mouse, I see delete printer. So if I select delete printer, it's going to go and bring up a list of all of the printers that I have here that are installed. I can just grab the printer right here, and if I want to delete the printer, I'm just going to choose delete printer. It's going to give me a pop-up here. It says, are you sure you wish to delete the printer? I'm going to say yes, and then that printer will be removed from my list. So this concludes the video on how to delete a student printer at the New Brunswick Community College.